But yeah, they through.
Ready?
Hey Neace Peeps, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a hair review of this cute style that I did myself. And y'all know I do not be doing no crochet, no braids, but we figured it out. So just keep on watching. But I want to give a special shout out and thank you to TOYOTRESS for sponsoring this video for us today. They sent me over 8 packs of the butterfly locks in 1B. And I can say this experience as someone who does not do like extensions or braids or none of that stuff themselves was super easy. So they sent over 8 packs of these butterfly locks, and you'll see the process I went through to try to get here, girl. But they also sent over a crochet hook. If you check the description box down below, you'll see a link to their website. 15% off, girl. And there are different types of locks. There's butterfly locks, there's faux locks, so I definitely recommend. But if you want to see how I got this style, then keep on watching. All right, y'all, so this is what the hair looks like. Comes out the box, and we have 8 packs of the butterfly lock. This is what it looks like in the package. So these are the distress locks, and I'm about to wash them because my scalp is super sensitive. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do an apple cider vinegar rinse just to make sure everything is good. And they said that the hair would withstand the wash, so let's go ahead and get started. Now that I've prepped the hair, I need to go ahead and prep my hair. So I am going to shampoo, condition, and rinse my hair. What you see now is a probiotic soap that I use for my seborrheic dermatitis, which is kind of like eczema on your scalp, and it helps to keep it from flaring up. Then I go in with the olive oil, shampoo, and a deep conditioner before I style my hair. heard me talking, I'm planning to do a voiceover, but I'm about to blow dry my hair. Y'all know the struggle with blow drying your hair. It takes forever, but I'm gonna try to be quick. Try to be quick today, as quick as I can. I already put my leave-in conditioner in. Child, y'all know the shrinkage be real. Okay, so first things first, I need to section and start to detangle. Shampoo, you guys already saw. Shampoo, put a little deep conditioner in, set up under the dryer for about 30 minutes-ish so that it can penetrate into my strands. And now I just have to section this mess. What's y'all plans for this nice Saturday? Well, I guess it'll be past Saturday when y'all see this, but hopefully y'all having a good weekend. It's Black History Month. Y'all know Valentine's Day is coming up. Hope y'all got y'all outfits for Valentine's, Galentine's, whatever you celebrate. Cause honey, trying to get this dress in has been a struggle. I ordered one dress, couldn't fit the dress, y'all. And I waited like 10 to 12 days for the dress to get here. So then I'm like, okay, boom. We can't be waiting till the last minute. I tried to get, I think it was 2-day shipping. Then it snowed. Like there was a whole winter storm basically. And made my shipment get delayed. Anyway, I still got the new dress. I think it was yesterday. So we're good, but please don't be like me. Go ahead and secure the outfit in advance. I think I'm gonna split this section one more time. I'm just gonna detangle. Finger detangle first. Ooh, and y'all, I took my nails off, and my poor little nails are so weak. I've been letting them breathe for like a week. But yeah, they through. After this next set, I'm probably gonna just take them off again and let them breathe for a while so they can get a little more stronger. Ooh, y'all know I cannot take this water running down on me. Did y'all see the shrinkage? Like, it's ridiculous. Okay, I'm trying to move quickly because I do not want to be in here all day blow drying this hair. All right, I'm happy for my shrinkage though because that just means my hair is healthy. All right, I have my heat protectant Beyond the Zone. Turn up the heat. It's for flat iron protection, but I don't be flat ironing my hair because I just can't be doing that. Luckily, my dryer has a comb attachment. Now this comb kind of skinny, so we're gonna see. Not too bad. I have to get back into the swing of things with the motion and everything. And I don't want it to be bone straight, just well enough for me to like plait it up, you know. So this is fine. All right, y'all, I don't have much to talk about right now, and I want to finish watching this YouTube video I was watching. So I'm just gonna speed through this. are back, finally ready for the installation of our butterfly locks. They are all nice and clean now. Okay, so y'all know, or if you don't know, now you know, I can't cornrow, so I had to do a little makeshift cornrow. I looked up a video on how to cornrow without knowing how to cornrow. So this is what we're looking like, but we're ready for installation. Let me know if y'all want to see a video on how I got my little cornrows without cornrolling. But anyway, okay, so I have never done crochet to my own head, or to anyone's head actually. So this is a first, but we're learning together, girl, okay? But it's super simple from what I've seen. We have our hair, we have our crochet hook, and this also came with the hair. And so let's get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the string. We have our first crochet piece. Very cute distressed butterfly lock with the hook on the end. Okay, so from what I saw, we're going to start at the back. Go ahead and hook. Wait, do I hook? No. Supposed to go through the braid, then hook the hair on the braid. Got that? And then pull it back through. So we've got our lock loop through. Then we just take the end piece and pull it through the loop, and then pull it taut. And our first lock is in, okay? Yes. Moving on to the next. Yeah, my nails are so raggedy. Okay, so what I did was make sure the loop is open, good size. And then find out where I want to place the lock. So I think I'm gonna go here. So I pull my crochet hook through my little braids, loop the lock onto the crochet hook, pull it through, open up the loop, feed the tail into it, and pull it through. Be careful not to disrupt the distressed look too much, but I mean, they are distressed, so it's fine. There we go. All right, we got 2 locks. I guess I'm just gonna go across. I'm just gonna go across the back and come back when I get closer to the top. Okay, y'all, we got the first pack in, and your girl is feeling it, okay? Simple enough. I'll show you guys the back at the end once everything is all installed, but girl, it's a look so far. All right, let's keep going. only installed 4 packs, so we're halfway through what they sent me, and actually a little bit over halfway through my head. So, all right, almost there. Y'all, so we're down to the last couple of parts, and then I'm gonna go back in the back and like up in here and add some more, just so it could be a little bit more full. But this did not take long at all. So as you can see, after a while I stopped using the hook. That's one thing I will say that I did not like. The hook that they sent me is super small, so it was hard to keep the hair hooked. It doesn't have like the clamp where you open it and close back. So I just started using my finger to make a place for the crochet piece. So I just put it in, pull it through, and then loop it through, loop the end through, and then pull it up. Most of them were easy to pull through. I only had one that I couldn't get through. And then tighten it at the root. And that's it. So again, just pull it through, loop it, and then I have my deep side part, so I'm pulling these up and over and these down. And this gives me like a little bang effect, a bang. And y'all, this is the first time I ever done this. I'm so proud of myself. It was so easy. So I'm just gonna go back in on a few of them, and in a few areas, and just add some more body. But I have 2 packs left, so 6 packs, because I have one more left, and then one that did not loop through. So it's gonna be probably like 6.5 once I go back in. But yeah, definitely recommend TOYOTRESS hair. The butterfly locks are super lightweight, super quick. Already comes like distressed. Don't have to worry about looping your hair and all that stuff. So this is super cute. I love it. Stay tuned for the final look and my final thoughts. Neace Peeps, now you saw the process is how I got this style, girl. We went through a little bit of something, but we got there, okay? And I want to again just say thank you to TOYOTRESS hair for sponsoring this video, sending me over this nice hair. Very lightweight, very good quality. So don't forget to check the description for the link to get you some hair too, girl, okay? For a little bit of money off. And again, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!